Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Crafty Krys. I am Krys, and today I'm going to be playing with the stitching die of the month for July. This is the little reindeer, so cute. I'm not going to stitch it because I'm not there yet. I don't have any kind of yarn, thread, yarn, whatever they use, probably thread. I don't have any of that stuff. But you still get the body, so I'm going to use the embossing folder that looks like a sweater. I've not used this yet, so I'm not real sure what it'll look like, but we'll find out, won't we? So let's get started. This is the premium cardstock color library sampler. It came free if you ordered so much. And anytime they have anything that's free, even if I don't need it, I put it in my cart. Why not? It's free. I may use it or know someone else who will. Hopefully this has browns. 2 different kinds of browns in it. Oh, it does. See, their colors are so pretty. We're going to go with these 2 for his. We're going to go with this. We have the darker brown. We're going to go with that with his antlers. I almost couldn't remember what those were called. His clothes. Let's go with purple. I've really been leaning towards purples lately, so we're going to go with purples. Are these the same color on both sides? Yes. Oh, this side's smooth. I didn't notice that. And this side's textured. So whichever one you like, I guess you could use. And his scarf. Is that a... We'll go with that. We'll go with that. Okay. Now this towel is going to the wash because it's got too much ink and probably glitter on it. We don't need that in our lives right now. Let me bring out my Anna Griffin mat here. And let's get started. Now with the embossing folder, I think with Spellbinders, with the Anna Griffin, I need this and this. I think. I don't remember. Okay, so let's get his sweater. We're just going to kind of put it anywhere. Okay, it's going to push up. Okay. I kind of need that to stay in stay in its spot. Let's put that there. Well, no. If I'm doing this wrong, then we'll just do it again. It's just paper, right? Okay, and a scarf. We're going to go with just something fun. Let's do it this way and see what it looks like. Okay. Now I think this is the sandwich I need. If not, well, I'll figure it out. I just did this the other day. You'd think I'd remember. Nope. When you reverse it out, you have to hold the button down. So let's take out the metal shim. Nope. That's not it either. See, that's why I wanted to tape it down. So let's put the metal shim back in there. Oh, you know what? I think it was this. I think it was, oops, I hit my camera. I think it was my magnetic plate. A plate, B plate, and this. Yeah, that's what it was. Okay. Ooh, how pretty. It's just very subtle. See that? So cute. You could add some ink blending to it to make it pop. But I'm not going to do that. So now we're going to try to assemble our little guy. I'm going to need some black paper, it looks like, for the back of his head. So just a thin... Oh my goodness, look how cute that is. Oh, so adorbs. And start on this. And this is just going to be random. Oh, they all only have 3 on there. So I guess I'll do that with all of them, but one of each color on there. That one I did with double-sided paper, so I'd have 2 colors. You're not supposed to use this to apply pressure, and that's probably why I always break them, because I do. Oh, that one's got 4. I had it covered up with my finger. Didn't get enough glue on that. There we go. Okay. I'm going to set those to the side. Now I want to find a sentiment that came with this that will fit in the palm of his hands. Cue the Merry Christmas. Oh, I like that one. Let's lot it up. Let's go with that one. Okay. Let's stamp that right quick. Do I have any scrap cardstock? I do, and quite a bit. Okay, from when I was making the snow hills for the penguin. Something I'm going to stamp. Oh, it's some of that little residue. Okay, push that down. I'm using Stays On Jet Black. No rhyme or reason. It was just the one closest to me. So this you don't have to put a lot of pressure. Because it's such a small sentiment. Looks good. Let's see, is this going to be too small? Nope. I think that's going to look just right. We can curve it a little bit. It looks like he's holding a sign. So cute. Okay. I gotta figure out how these go on. So I think this goes under here. I mean, you can really put them on however you like. I mean, it's your die. I'm not sure this is the way it was intended, but that's the way we're going to use it. How cute is that? Just so cute. Okay. I think I am going to glue his little paws down. The hooves. Just so they don't get ripped off. Okay. Actually, let me put this up here. For my card base, I think I'm going to go with this green. I'm going to emboss this right quick. Oh, that looks good. See, that really adds to it. Oh, yeah. And this is just Michael's green cardstock, I believe. Okay, but before I commit to this or put anything down, I'm going to add some splatter. Splatter. If I can find it. This is from a sign that says stamp. Pawsitively white. Perfect white. Shake it up. Amy R says not to shake it up. Kathy Zilski shakes it up. Who do I listen to? I don't know. I don't know. I love them both. Let me find my spatter box. Or splatter. That's a little much. Because that reindeer's pretty big, so really don't have to focus too much on the center. Okay. So while we wait for that to dry, I'm going to go ahead and put some foam squares on this. Okay. Then I am going to cut these two in half. Just to put right up here. Now, let me get this thinner one. Put that right there. Put this on his arms. Put this one on his little arm. Let's go ahead and cut this one in half. Just so I can have one on each side of his neck. Oh, and I used a whole sheet. I'm trying to center this pretty well. I pushed down way too soon, y'all. I should really think more. But there we have it. I'm going to attach this to a card base. And there we have another Spellbinders July 2026 All Create Club Kit. That's what it was. That's what it's called. Thank you for joining me for today's video. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And please be sure to follow me on all of my social media channels. Until next time, stay crafty, my friends.